When we believe things, we assume them to be 100% true until proved otherwise. And this isn't how trading works. In trading, the probability of a successful trade is normally between 40 and 60%. And we can be successful with 40% of our trades and still make lots of money as long as we manage our trades correctly. We can take successful trades 80% of the time and still lose money if we manage our trades poorly. In fact, anybody can trade in either direction and make money 90% of the time as long as they manage their trades well. However, this can be very difficult to do, especially from an emotional point of view. We therefore need to assume that at any one point in time we have a probability of 40 to 60% with any of our trades, depending on the market conditions. This means that we'll also be unsuccessful 40 to 60% of the time. We need to have the knowledge to assess the market and judge the probability of success of each potential trade. Is it 40%, 50%, or 60%? It's never 100%. The probability is never 100%. And this is about managing our expectations, isn't it? As I've said before, we like being right and we hate being wrong. This is a natural inbuilt thing. So losing on 50% of our trades will seem like failure for us, as long as being right is what we associate with successful trades, and being wrong is what we associate with losing trades. Our brains are wired to tell us that if we keep getting things wrong, we're no good. We develop limiting beliefs as a result of being wrong, and we start thinking that we can't do it. An educated and objective belief in trading has a 40 to 60% chance of turning into a successful, tradable opportunity if we learn to ignore the false signals that the market presents. By successful, tradable opportunity, I mean one that will produce a good reward to risk. Anyone can take a risk of many times the potential reward and be right 80% of the time. However, it's going to be very difficult for them to be profitable. Is it more important to you to be profitable than to be right? It should be. And the good news is that we can be right 100% of the time as well as being profitable. Being right in trading means taking trades according to our system. The system itself should take care of the probability and the reward to risk aspect of the trading. Our system should also take care of our beliefs. It doesn't matter what we're seeing on our charts. If something happens and our system says trade, then we take the trade. If we're not profitable over time and we're trading our system perfectly, then we need a new system. If we see something on our charts and we think, well, yeah, it looks like it's going either up or down, but it doesn't trigger a trade based on our system, then quite simply, we just don't take the trade. When we take a trade with our system, then we accept that it may be a losing trade. It has a certain percentage chance of being a loser. And if we lose, then this doesn't mean that we were wrong. It's just the probability of the trade. Take 10 trades of the same type of trades, and if we've followed our system and the system works, then we'll be profitable. And this is how you deal with losing trades. This is how you deal with beliefs in trading. Have a good system and stick to it. So now, here's another exercise for you to do. If you've got your trading system written down, then go and get it and have it to hand. And if you haven't got a system written down, then stop the video right now and write your system down on a piece of paper or on your computer, on your tablet, on your phone. Just write your system, your trading system down if you haven't got it written down. So once you have it, then I want you to examine it and I want you to scrutinise your system for beliefs. What beliefs are there inside the system? Are they facts or are they beliefs? Could they be wrong? Are they supportive or unsupportive? And write down what you discover. And you may discover if you, within your system, you've got rules for targets that you set, rules for limit orders that you place, rules for stop orders that you make, then you may find that there are some beliefs within the system that you've got around those aspects. Sometimes experienced and profitable traders never do this exercise. They create a system when they're beginners, and this system is designed specifically for them based on their current experience as a beginner. And when they get more experience, they work the same system based on the same beliefs that they had about themselves and about the market as they had as beginner traders. If they were to examine their system and adapt it to changing knowledge and experience, they could exponentially improve their profitability. So go back and do that particular exercise. Go back, do the exercise, and see what sort of beliefs you discover. And as a result of doing the exercise, if you do have some beliefs that you'd like to change, then that's what we're going to go on to do in later parts of this video series.